Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters 1 Design as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Hashtag 2Crafters 1 Design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You'll See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. This week's theme was Frame It. Next week's theme is Peachy Keen stamps or dies or whatever you have to go with Peachy Keen. Now is the time, and I know a lot of people have been purchasing Peachy Keen. Perfect time to show what you will create with yours. All right, so this week I am using honeybee stamps, cherry blossom, as well as this glimmer hot foil system dies. I am using the Thanks a Million as well as this die here to cut it out. And this one here, I'm using this smaller frame here as well as the inside. Sorry you won't be able to pick that up anymore because they have since closed their doors. That was reverse confetti. And then this right here, Hero Arts, I'm using, I want to say maybe this frame right there. All right. And let me show you my card for this week, which is right here. I thought that turned out really pretty. I did have my flowers already made up, and this was already made up, so everything went pretty quick for me. I just have to pop everything down on the paper, glue the rest of it together, and voila, my card was done. And I have a whole little container of these already cut out, foiled up, so I can just grab from them. And then there goes the inside of the card. So that's what I have for you. Make sure you use all of the ladies' links down below. Use the hashtags so that we can come over and visit your channels. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Check out the picture at the end.